In this video, I will show you how to add Instagram feed to Squarespace. So what you're gonna have to do is simply go to Squarespace and then click on add section. Now here you're gonna have to scroll down, and then what you're gonna have to do next, so let me go back. So you're gonna have to click on add block, not on add section, my bad. And then here you're gonna have to scroll down and select Instagram. Now, as you can see, so we should have Instagram right here. So let me go back and then click on add block, and then let's click on Instagram again. So we have here Instagram, as you can see. Click on this edit button, and then here you're gonna have to choose an account or add an account. So as you can see, you're gonna have to connect to Instagram if you want, but I'm not gonna do that right now. So you're gonna have to choose an account and then simply choose how many items, so basically how many photos from that account you want. And then here you can see you can choose slideshow, carousel, grid, or stacked. So basically that's all you have to do. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.